Okay, today we are going to find the multiples of 3 on our multiples paper. Okay, so let's start here and we'll count. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to circle that. So let's start here again. We're at 3 and we're going to count another multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to start here and count another multiple of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now when we get to the end, we're just going to continue down to the next row. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And we'll circle that number, 12. Okay, so from here, I'd like for you to count the next multiple of 3 and see where you land. Go ahead. All right, let's see where you are. 1, 2, 3. 15. Okay, let's do that one more time. Okay, start here and count 3. Go. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Are you starting to see a pattern? Yeah, me too. Okay, so you can go ahead and continue the rest of the page all the way till you get to 100. All right, and that is the multiples of 3.